shell stitch. It's a beautiful and very easy stitch to knit. I love it because it has lots of detail at the end. So this makes a perfect scarf or actually beanie. It's a very simple pattern. There are 10 rows to the pattern and it's a combination of purls, plains, yarn over and slipping stitches. The front or the correct side of your knitting project is very different to the back. As you can see from the back, it's predominantly purl stitches. When you're casting on, do it in multiples of 10 stitches plus 1 extra stitch. I have 21 stitches to show you the two patterns. So basically 10 stitches for one pattern, 10 stitches for the next. Row number 2 is a knit. Knit 1. Take your yarn over and towards you. Knit 3. So as you can see, we'll be creating a stitch. 1, knit 2, knit 3 stitches. Then we slip 1 stitch to our second knitting needle. We knit 2 stitches together. Then with our slip stitch, we pass that over the 2 knitted stitches. Knit 3, 1, knit 2, knit 3 and yarn over. So that completes our first pattern. Row 5, we knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over and towards you. Knit 2, 1, 2. We slip a stitch to our second knitting needle. We knit 2 stitches together and then we slip that stitch and pass it over the 2 knitted stitches. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over and towards you. Knit 1 stitch and that completes the pattern for row 5. Row 7. Knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, yarn over and towards you. Knit 1, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together, then we pass the slip stitch over the 2 knitted stitches. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, and that completes the first pattern. Row number 9, knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, yarn over, slip 1 stitch onto your second needle, knit 2 stitches together, slip the stitch over the 2 knitted stitches, yarn over, knit 3, 1, knit 2, knit 3. And there we have it, the shell stitch. It's such a beautiful and very, very easy stitch to do.